Hey guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little review video for you. I purchased this from Costco last week. I'm a tea drinker, and I'm always looking for an easy way to make a good cup of tea. So when I saw this, I thought I should give it a try. So we have the Keurig here, but my husband, he likes coffee, so he uses coffee pods in there. So every time I try to make tea using a tea pod, there's still like an aftertaste, like a coffee taste in my tea, and I don't like that. So I purchased this. So just a second. Oops. Do you want to go outside? There you go. It's cold outside. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I'm making a video, silly. Okay, so back over here. So yeah, so it's just been a week, and so far I've been loving it. It comes in this box right here, and I have some tea already brewed in there, and here's a little manual that comes with it. And so let me turn this on for you guys quickly. And so what I like about it is this insert that it comes with. So you just put your tea leaves in there, and then you turn it on. So yeah, you shut this. So this is the turn on and turn off, on and off button, and then if you pop this, push that button, and it pops open the top, and it's a nice sleek design. And I think the max, if you can see here, right here, the max you can go up to is 1.8 liters. That's the sound it makes when it starts to heat up the water. And so like I said, I've been pretty happy with it so far, and I will make another review in a couple months to let you guys know how it's been doing. So yeah, and then this is my husband's favorite little gadget. It's the Nespresso full frother, and we purchased this from Amazon, and we absolutely love it. My kids love it. So every time they want to make like a hot cocoa or hot chocolate, it literally takes a couple minutes to whip up some milk and cream in there. So I'll make a video on that next. So that's that. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys real soon. Merry Christmas.